Thank you. In this time, we would like to present preparing Siddhatapa Village as a Bali Aga tourist attraction in Buleleng Regency, the ancient village. Siddhatapa Village established itself in developing tourism village since 2017. Siddhatapa Village is a village with strong tradition and culture in maintaining its culture from outside influence, especially when it comes to religious custom and ceremony. In practice, a strong and unique culture is actually used as an attraction by local community to bring tourists to Siddhatapa. There is an interesting story behind the visible culture of Siddhatapa village, both the tradition, house, and the ritual, the bamboo farming that can be told to tourists, so that it's become a meaningful reason for them to visit this village, the Siddhatapa village. Tourism village development through communicative action. The idea of developing of tourist village cannot be implemented properly without direct approach to the community. In practice, communicative action is needed to find a developed duration that is acceptable to parties involved, with the hope of realizing a sustainable tourism village concept, both economic, social, culture, and environment aspect. By Habermas' idea about the communicative action, it's hoped that all parties can be their arguments without pressure for any party. For validity claims put forward by Habermas, namely clarity, truth, accuracy, and sincerity, it has followed the accommodation of logical justification for truth and the social context for their rational debate. For the implementation of design of tourist village development activity through the involvement of Pentahelix, the preparation of Siddhatapa village Buleleng Regency to become a tourist destination with ones of Bali Aga carried out by community workers through the partner village development program. There are 3 activities. These activities include preparing of the shelter for tourists to live in, training people and to develop virtual tour, developing tourist product that can be used as souvenir for visiting tourists. In the Siddhatapa village, a pilot shelter was prepared on collaboration between community workers and empty rooms owners by who already have networked with tourists, especially foreign tourists. The development of village, it's become tourist destination, certainly requires the role of various qualified parties. At state by village and city tourism, Accelerate team 2017 explained that there are 5 pillars that we call Pentahelix. It's very important to improve for development of rural tourism, which there are government as regulator, community as accelerator, business, academies, and media. The village as social system require different treatment when it's come to tourists, even developing the village into tourist into a tourist village. In this case, the village and its people certainly have certain way to always be a conducive situation. The village as a space that ethic and norms that are formed based on the experience that has been faced. Of course, takes various consideration when deciding itself as a tourist destination. Understanding the available of natural, cultural, and human resources already know the potential of the village, then helping to prepare the village tourist village. A non-directive approach was chosen by community workers.